salutations, Queenie Q here, and today I'm doing kind of a few things. For one, I have a huge mess behind me because that's generally my life. And for two, I want to do a couple things. I want to rework my whole my workstation wall, essentially. And that includes a cork board that Erin has very graciously given me that I'm going to goth up. And then that also includes a... let me grab it. Oh, Jesus. A beauteous pegboard. Yes, I'm finally becoming one of those sewists and crafters that has one of the IKEA pegboards. However, white is incredibly boring and I kind of hate it. So I'm going to be painting it a color I do like. Probably pink. No, that's a huge lie. I'll be painting it lilac. That's going to be the main thing. I want to change up my whole workspace because it's very cluttered and messy and it makes it hard to work. Part of that is my own fault because I'm a hoarder. But I'm working on that. I'm working on that right now. So I hope you will enjoy the journey. This is probably going to be a bit more vloggy and less how to do it, if that makes sense. Less of a DIY again, more of a watch me do this thing, because I think it would be fun and I have a lot of crafting energy lately. So put your seatbelt on, get a cup of tea. Those don't make sense together, but that's okay. And let's get started. So here I just wanted to show off my new skull display. This time I made it much wider to accommodate my headphones. I have quite a wide headphone piece to them. And then this is also my current setup that I hate and it stresses me out and there's no rhyme or reason to really what's there. And I can't wait to fix it, to be honest, and get some of the stuff off of my desk and up into an organized space.
Very sleepy kitty. Oh, stretch for us. Oh, yes. Oh, sleepies. So sleepies. Oh.
And of course, before I start painting, I need to take everything off the board as well. Here I'm just using a matte, like chalkboard paint for the corkboard part. On the frame I'm actually going to mask off the corkboard area to paint the frame a high gloss or satin black, just to get that contrast. All the frames in my bedroom are a high gloss black and I like to match them. And here I just wanted to show you, I noticed I have a little tiny baby picture growing in my Nepenthes. If I can show it, here it is. Little tiny baby picture. Look at that little hairy baby. Just hiding in there, having a good time. Hey, I'll show you some of my other pictures on the same plant. So you can see my hand compared to the bigger pictures. They're pretty large. I would say like 4 to 5 inches tall. It's a big boy. Okay, this is just one of those little molding pieces you can get at Home Depot or probably any local hardware store as well as online. I just wanted to add a little bit of pizzazz at the top of the cork board. So I'm going to paint this guy and then glue him on with some wood glue. Here I'm just cutting up an old paper shopping bag to mask off the area of the cork board so that, again, I can paint the frame that high gloss black and have the contrast of the matte and the shiny black. If you're a fan of Aurelio Voltaire, you will understand the paint it black meme and the subsequent drinking games that follow. My boyfriend and I are fans of his Gothic homemaking series, if you haven't already guessed. And so pretty much everything gets that high gloss black. You can see kind of in better detail what I'm doing with the tape. And now it's time to glue my molding piece onto my frame. Now, of course, I didn't really measure because I just wanted to wing it and get it done with. So I'm just gluing it down, eyeballing with the placement, and I will be cleaning up that excess wood glue, don't you worry. Okay, so that's doing its thing downstairs and drying. I have to wait for it to dry before I can do like another black coat and then a final like protective gloss coat. But while we're waiting for that, I can get started on the pegboard that I'm also working on for the other side of the wall. So let's do that. Okay, so I'm getting kind of a migraine, so today I'm gonna stop, but tomorrow I'll pick up again. Chronic migraine issues, what am I gonna do about it? So I will catch up tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so it's probably like 2 or 3 days later. Whoops, sorry, stuff happened. But now I'm ready to put my boards up on the wall. I sprayed my pegboard and my cork board is up as well, or my cork board is painted. But first I wanted to give you guys some peel porn on that cork board. And you can see there are some spots where the tape has pulled off some of the paint, so I can just patch that up with some more acrylic chalkboard paint that I have that will have a matte finish as well. Now I need to move the hardware from the landscape position to the portrait position. I'm sorry that none of this is in frame. I really wanted to get this done, and I didn't double check my frames in like half of the clips from the second day's worth of shooting. But you know, you live, you learn, you grow. Well, I think I'm done making a mess for today. This guy's up. This guy's up. This guy's moved. I got patch holes, you know, the whole shebang. And I'm still going to figure out exactly what I want with my pegboard, how I want that set up. Right now it's kind of chaotic, so we'll see. We'll see what I end up doing there. I'm sure there's a better way I could set up my hot glue gun, for sure. And, I originally wanted my stapler, my tape to go up here, but that's not really working out, so we'll see. Things will get shifted. Things will be nice. Yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna have some more transformation, organization, whatever you want to call it, decluttering, dehoarding videos soon, and I think that's everything I can think of. See you next time.